Hi, it's Rich Tehrani with TMC. We're at the MSP Expo, part of the IT Expo, Tech Super Show 2022. On our program today, our executives with Intel Corporation. Gentlemen, please give me your name, your title, and your division. I feel like we're in the military.
Yeah, Rhett Livengood, Director of Digital Business Enabling. It's our first time here. We're very happy, based in Santa Clara, California.
Hi, I'm Afshin Abadi. I'm a technical sales specialist, part of the Intel Unite collaboration team, and I'm based out of Southern California.
Fantastic. So we're going to start out by asking exactly what are the products that you guys represent.
Yeah, so we represent the vPro platform. We like to say it's built for business and best for business. That includes our new 12th gen vPro platform, and Afshin's even got another surprise that we just came out with.
And I represent the first set of software that Intel has provided to our customers as a subscription, which allows you to take any environment and make it to a collaboration space where you can plug a PC into a large format display and then use any type of computational device. As long as it computes, it should be able to collaborate, which allows you to walk into a room and actually wirelessly through the infrastructure present your material. And for example, in a classroom environment, in a healthcare environment, or even in a conference room, to be able to have that very, very easy capabilities of presenting your material or view the material that is being presented in the room itself.
That's great. What technology does it use?
So we have our own set of software that we build ourselves, and the protocol that we use is the WebRTC protocol for streaming that capability, but we have built some magic into it to keep that data all within your network. So from a security standpoint, from healthcare HIPAA standard, everything stays localized, and there's really no broadcast of data, just screen scrape from node A to node B, which reduces bandwidth utilization, it increases performance, lowers latency, and again, it gives you a better experience than anything else that we could find out there for us to use.
Wow, that's very impressive, and it'll go over Wi-Fi?
It goes over the existing infrastructure, so as long as your device is connected to your Wi-Fi infrastructure, absolutely. It uses the Wi-Fi to be able to broadcast, and you do not require to start an ad hoc wireless in order to have that capability. So as long as you're on the network, you're able to collaborate.
And you sell that as a service?
We sell this as a service, where we are selling it at this time about $90 a year per room basis, which is more of a cost recovery for us than anything else for further development. But this is something that we're bringing to the market to be able to be available to everyone that's out there, and it's done per room basis.
That's great, so it really brings you guys in the collaboration space, and right now as we're returning to the office and we're having these meetings and everyone has whatever device they want, this really gives them a lot of flexibility, right?
That's absolutely true. I mean, we recognize the fact, and again, been working on this for about 6-7 years now. We realized that we needed a very simple collaboration application to be able to utilize. And again, the reason we built this is because we have over 5,500 conference rooms within Intel with more than 100,000 employees. Our biggest challenge was when you walk into a conference room, it takes anywhere from 8 to 12 minutes before you can present your material. We brought it down to seconds by using this technology, and we think that gives everyone an advantage.
Fantastic, very exciting. So since COVID, how has your business evolved?
Yeah, so one of the big changes that we did with the 12th gen platform, 3 big things. One, we came out with a 12th gen version called vPro Essentials, which is for small business. So the small and medium business that the MSPs service, I think are going to be very interested in this. Second, we have added software Wi-Fi 6E for all of you telco folks out there, and we can now, with the 12th gen, prioritize, especially if you're at home, a Teams or a Zoom call. We can prioritize that over perhaps your kids playing video games. So it's very, very useful, comes standard, and we also have a new Chrome-based version of vPro now. Runs on Chrome as well, of course, as Microsoft Office and Windows. So yeah, that's kind of the 3 big things here, but it's our first time, and we're really going to move into the MSP market and help them sell to small and medium business.
That is really exciting. How's the response been here?
It's been really good. You know, it's an interesting market. We have met people from all over the world here. There's you know, a very strong telco contingency here from South Florida, and I saw a lot of Bitcoin and you know, that type of thing. But I really think it's a very diverse crowd, and it's been very, very interesting. Again, our first time here, and I really liked it. It's very diverse.
Thanks.
Yeah, that's absolutely true. I mean, the kind of responses that we're getting is it's very broad scale, and it's interesting how when we show them the capabilities that we're bringing to the market, you know, there's a lot of people here that, you know, they knew what we did, but they never knew to what level do we get involved and do the integration with. So it's been very, very interesting.
Excellent. What else should we know?
Yeah, if you come by the booth, we've got a good demo. I think the other thing is we have just launched our Intel Partner Alliance. So for those of you out there that would like to be an Intel partner and maybe make some money, we also have that ability to sign you up right here at MSP Expo.
Great. Anything to add?
No, that's exactly right. I mean, the software solution that I mentioned before for collaboration is something that we like our partners to sign up for. They will make margins on redistributing the software, but again, we handle everything for them. It's just a matter of using them in order to do the account management, because we do not want to own the customers. We want them to be the owner of the customers. We just want to be able to provide that collaboration to everyone that's out there.
Thanks for being here, guys.
Thank you. It's been really great.
Thank you very much for your time.